You are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Now we are going to rotate the awareness from one part of the body to the next. The consciousness moves around the body. Just follow my instructions mentally. There should be no physical movement. If I say right hand thumb, then mentally repeat after me right hand thumb. Visualize the right hand thumb and relax the thumb by becoming aware. In this way we shall go through each and every part of the body systematically. Let your mind move freely from one part to the next, according to the speed of my instructions. Right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together. Awareness of the whole right side, the whole right side, the whole right side. Now bring your awareness to the left side of the body. Left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, 4 fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together. Awareness of the whole left side, the whole left side, the whole left side. Now bring your awareness to the back of the body. Right buttock, left buttock, right back, left back, waist, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the spinal cord, neck, back of the head, crown of the head, the whole back, the whole back, the whole back. Now become aware of the front, forehead, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, nose, right nostril, left nostril, tip of the nose, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right chest, left chest, center of the chest, upper abdomen, right abdomen, left abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, the whole front, the whole front, the whole of the right leg, whole of the left leg, both legs together, whole of the right arm, whole of the left arm, both arms together, whole of the back together, whole of the front together, whole of the head together, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Visualize the whole body. Intensify the awareness and visualize the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Look at your body as an object. See your body as an object. Your feet, legs, abdomen, chest, arms, hands, face. Awareness of the whole body as an object. You are practicing Yoga Nidra. Be still and quiet. Slowly move the toes, the fingers, the legs, the arms, the head from side to side. Move the body and stretch yourself. Develop the awareness of space within the body. Develop the awareness of space within the body, pervading the entire body from top of the head to tip of the fingers and the toes. No muscle awareness, no bone awareness. Experience of space. Total awareness of space, pervading the inner body. Space pervades the entire body internally. You are just a living awareness. It is the living awareness within you. It intensifies the awareness of spirit, and you are self-contained, at peace with yourself.